Now, as we reported earlier, the government has announced an all-island curfew as it moves to contain the spread of the coronavirus. Now, Andrea Chisholm has been listening in on that virtual press conference happening now at the office of the Prime Minister and now joins us live. Andrea?
Well, Janella, the Prime Minister indicated that for the most part, Jamaicans have been complying with the COVID-19 containment measures. But later on, he said that what he recognized was that over the weekend, there was an increase in movement. And because of that, he made this announcement regarding the curfew.
The police has been instructed to enforce an all-island curfew starting at 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. the following day. And this starts on the 1st of April to the 7th of April. In fact, AG, it would roll into the 8th of April at 6 a.m. Just to be clear on that. So the curfew would start on April 1, 8 p.m. and it rolls for 7 days, and therefore it would end on April 8th at 6 a.m. Everybody has got that clearly? Just for clarity. So you have 24 hours notice effectively. So the curfew, all-island curfew, that will start on the 1st at 8 p.m. It will end on the 8th of April at 6 a.m. Good. That means that there will be restriction on public transportation and all movement except those that will follow in the Gazette. And we will have the Gazette published tomorrow.
He said the exemptions that would be announced in the Gazette would apply to medical staff, essential services, and special provisions will be made for people in critical industries. Now, the Health Minister, Dr. Christopher Tufton, also gave an update. You will recall that Jamaica now has 36 confirmed cases of COVID-19.
I'm happy to report, however, as the Prime Minister said earlier, that she's doing well. We believe that her prognosis is very positive and that she will recover. She is currently in isolation and being given the best possible treatment. The ministry, just to be totally clear, has no other record of any other healthcare worker who is impacted by COVID-19, and I want to make that very clear for the record. There are now 23 imported cases of the total number, 11 import-related, 2 cases are under investigation, and the average age of the persons who have been infected is 52.7 years, ranging from a minimum of 24 years to the eldest at 87 years. The ministry is pleased to advise, too, that one of the patients, patient 5 from St. Anne, who tested positive for COVID-19, has now recovered and has been released from hospital. So I think we can celebrate our first fully recovered COVID-19 case. This is patient number 5, and there's a protocol to determining when one is released. And I want to just outline that and then make one other point. That individual, having been treated and become asymptomatic, meaning not displaying any other symptoms, would be tested twice within a 48-hour period. And if the tests return negative.
General, the Health Minister, Dr. Christopher Tufton, there giving an update on patient number 5 and also talking about that health worker who was tested positive for COVID-19.
And just to be clear, this press conference is still going on as we speak.
It is still happening as we speak.
Okay, so naturally we will have more on that press conference in a subsequent newscast. We take a break now.